this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this reverse easel card with the Symbols of Fortune suite. All right, here is a reverse easel card using the Symbols of Fortune suite. I used the Crane of Fortune bundle with the crane. And I also used the Symbols of Fortune Designer Series paper. So it's got this gray and gold on one side, and then it's got this really pretty design on the other side. And then some of the images you can cut out with the dies, like the flowers and the dragonflies right here. There are also in the suite this satin ribbon, soft succulent, really pretty, and these polished dots that went here they are, polished dots. Okay, so I have this piece that is 11 by 4 1/4, and I've scored it at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2, and it's gonna be folded this way. And then I've added some of the Designer Series paper layered with the soft succulent. Then I've cut out a couple of stitch squares. So this one is gonna go on the inside here. So I'm just going to attach that. And the other one is going to go on the outside. So this one is just going to be centered. And then this one is going to just get dimensionals on the top. Just put the dimensionals on the top, and then we'll just layer this over the top here to cover behind there. And then I have the smaller one, but I'm gonna do a little bit of stamping and blending. I've got the crane already stamped in Evening Evergreen and cut out. So I'm going to use soft succulent and smoky slate to color. I'm just going to get a tiny bit because I just re-inked it. I don't want it to be too dark. Just a tiny bit more. Okay, and then I'm going to stamp the dragonflies up here in the corner. And I'm gonna do some smoky slate. Ink that one as well. And just kind of blend those in. Notice sometimes if your fingerprints are on there, the color doesn't quite go on. Like I think I might have a fingerprint down there. But I'm just gonna stamp some bamboo down here. Kind of stamp off a little bit. Do some over there. Okay, and then I'm gonna stamp this little shadow for the crane. So it kind of has a shadow there. Hopefully that looks like a shadow. And then I have my crane stamped and cut out, and I put some dimensionals. I'm just gonna add the crane here. I'll move it back a little bit between the dragonflies, or underneath it, no, between the dragonflies. Hopefully my dimensional is not off the page. And then I'll just go ahead and put some adhesive on the back of this. And adhere that down there. And then for the easel part inside, I've stamped the Much Luck and Good Fortune, and I've punched that out with the Label Me Fancy punch. And I've also die cut one of these little ginkgo leaves in the Evening Evergreen. I'm just going to put a little bit of liquid glue on there. And grab my tweezers. I'm just going to put it here in the corner. And then I'll just put dimensional on here, maybe 2. And, uh-oh, did I just get some ink there somehow? I don't know how I just did that. So I think I'll cover that up with this right there. And then this will just stand up like that. And there is my reverse easel card. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial on this fun fold card. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure to click on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a video. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.